DIY hours at FREAKN Art are a great way for you to explore your creative side. More relaxed than a traditional art class, we offer ready-made art projects that you can complete at your own pace. Your session includes a brief how-to demo and all the supplies you need to successfully complete a project from our menu within 2 hours. We offer a wide variety of mediums to get your creative juices flowing without breaking the bank. From collage to lino block printing, there's something on the menu for everyone. And the best part is, we clean up the mess when you're done. If you're looking for an engaging activity that's more affordable than dining out, look no further. My name is Anastasia Zielinski, and I'm a visual artist and art educator and owner of FREAKN Art here in Bend, Oregon. FREAKN Art is a community studio where we promote creativity in a low-pressure environment. It's the perfect place for you to come and explore your creative side. FREAKN Art. Make art feel better.